I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Create a TikTok for Business account and connect it to Shopify now. Open Shopify and install the TikTok channel app to link catalogs and products. Add the TikTok pixel through the app and enable add to cart and purchase events. Verify pixel firing with the TikTok Pixel Helper extension or diagnostics. Set your campaign objective to conversions and choose purchase as the optimization event for best tracking. Start with a conservative daily budget of 0 to 0 and run tests for 3 to 7 days to gather early data. Produce vertical 16 videos that are 6 to 15 seconds long for ads. Use UGC-style footage, product close-ups, and a clear CTA overlay like Buy Now. Include price points and shipping information on screen, such as $9.99 or free shipping. Target interest groups and create a 1% lookalike audience from recent purchasers for high intent. Set bids to lowest cost initially and monitor CTR aiming near 5% and CPMs between and 5 for benchmark comparison. Run structured A/B tests, changing one variable per test to learn quickly. Compare creatives, captions, and audience segments and measure purchases and ROAS. When an ad wins, scale budgets by about 20% every 48 to 72 hours. Duplicate top ad sets to preserve performance and increase spend gradually to avoid platform reset. Use 7-day click and 1-day view attribution windows for consistent reporting across TikTok and Shopify. Retarget users who viewed or added.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.